Are you driven by a passion for sports and management? Do you want to create impactful sports experiences? Then MBA Sports Management program is your ideal choice. At MBA ESG India, our MBA Sports Management program equips you with expertise in sports marketing and sponsorship, event management and operations, athlete management and development, sports finance and economics, media and communication in sports, strategic planning and leadership. Now imagine managing a world-class sports event like the Olympics or the IPL League. Are you ready to transform the sports industry with your management skills? Start your sports management journey at MBA ESG.